name is Bettina Chapa, and I'm going to be talking about Module 2, and it is called Historical and Ethical Foundations. In this chapter, I really liked everything, but the most interesting thing for me was seeing the big picture. I will be talking about seeing the big picture from this chapter. Persuasion is a civilizing influence. We can be, I don't know, we can have a situation and persuasion can be a really big part of it on how we handle it or how we react on the situation. Persuasion assumes that people have free choice and are responsible for decisions made in response to persuasive message. So, what these mean is that the persuasion assume that that we have free choice and that we are responsible of how we act. And yeah, that can be true, but sometimes it's just it's not our choice. Sometimes we have to do things that we don't want to do, and it's not, like I already said, it's not always a free choice for everybody. Persuaders make choices between ethical and unethical modes of persuasion. So, like I already said, there would be situations where it can be good or it can be bad. An example for me is that once I was in a situation where I work with kids, so one of my teachers, she had a situation with a parent, and her reaction was not professional. It was not okay. And what I had to do is I had to go and start acting professional and see how we could make it right. So what I had to do is talk to her, calm her first. I had to talk to the parent, apologize for her because she did not make the right decision on how she reacted. So for me, I don't know, like the chapter said, we don't ask the questions so often. Like, what sort of word would it be if there were no persuasive communications? So if I was not there, how would it ended? If she was just talking and talking bad, like, how would that end if my professional or ethical reaction was not there? So yeah, that was one of my examples because I really, like, after it happened, I was really connected by, like, this chapter because, like, it is bad, and a lot of people, like, it happened to me, that some people will react. You go and do something and they take it in a totally different way. So it does happen, and that's why persuasion, it is really, really important in our lives. So my conclusion is that persuasion is both ethical and unethical. It can be good and it can be bad. And one quote that I really liked about this chapter is, as Aristotle recognized, persuasive communications are designed to influence rather than uncover universal truths. Thank you.